Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay. Hope all is well. It's Monday, April 29th. The market just closed for the day. I'm in my Apex account. Let me show you how that went today. Just moving my big head out of the way. So this right here, what you're looking at is a new eval. I actually got it while I was streaming for the stream. Had it up 2,600 bucks and fell back. Missed, was wrong, and I was wrong in a certain trade. I was wrong here when the market closed. I thought we were going to come back down and hit a certain level. Didn't happen. Volume dried up. Went the other way. Gave back a bunch of it, but then I got a few. I don't know what I got at the end, like 280 bucks, 115, 90 and 70s, 160 and 115. So 265 bucks I got back. So I mean, it's in great shape. I was just trying to pass it during the live stream because that would have been cool, right? There was like 26 or 27 people on, which is awesome. If you're one of them and that was you, thank you for hanging out. And then, so I have a trailing match drawdown of 1,645. I'm not worried about that. I just need to get up another 1,300 bucks or so, 1,228 to be exact. I'll just do that. Maybe I'll push it during the overnight. Maybe I'll stream during the overnight and push it during the stream. We'll see. Or nuke it, one or the other. All right, so we have that. I have a funded account, so I don't want to show you, but let's talk about this one. This one I got over today. This I had on Friday. I got during the stream on Friday, pushed it up a little under 500 bucks. And then today I pushed it all the way to the promised land. So this one's over the goal, the $3,000 profit goal. So tomorrow this will be a funded account. And then now to the funded accounts. This one, I had a $6 trailing max drawdown. This one was pretty much a nuke like 3 days ago. I thought I was getting in micros in my account that's in line for a payout, but it was this one. I actually went up like 15 bucks real quick, and then it came back and I went down 6 before it bounced and hit the 34 EMA and bounced off of that. But it was enough to nuke this account, whatever. I knew it was gone. It would have been really cool to be able to work it back up, but I traded the wrong account. I would have been fine if I traded this one. I'll tell you what happened with that one in a second. Then I had this one. This one was up 1,400 bucks. Excuse me. Overall, after like 5 or 6 days of trading, 5 days, this was day 6, and I fucked up. In case you haven't noticed, I was up. I tried trading. I had some things I had to do where I had to leave my house during regular trading hours. So I tried pushing the account. I should have traded micros because in the morning, the volume is just crazy. The volume, it just moves around so much. And it cost me. And things weren't going my way. And then I started making, bad decisions against my rules, against my better judgment, and added. And then it flash dumped, of course, right when I added it, right around here. It was like right around here, 10:35. No, it was before that. It was here, maybe. I don't remember. I don't remember exactly when it happened, but it was bad, and that account's gone. I'm really pissed off about that, but I would be even more pissed off about that if I didn't have this account and I was trading micros. What I did learn is like during that time when it's super volatile in the morning hours, and then you're in a funded account, you're probably better off trading micros unless you know for sure the move is there. And I thought the move was there, and then we rolled over, and then the move wasn't there. And it was quick, like the way it dropped. So anyway, I pushed this one over trading micros. I made basically 2 trades. Most of it was in one trade, and then I wanted to push it over to 200 because why not? So this one's at 53,241. This is day 8. My trailing match drawdown is over 3,000 now. It's at 3,142 bucks. So I would say that on either on Wednesday or Thursday, this page right here, which is the PA payment page, I'll refresh this page and there will be something like a drop down or something, or I guess a list here, and I'll be able to say, yes, pay me out, please. I'll be able to request it because this is the request payout page. So I'm looking forward to seeing that for the first time ever. Obviously, I have 2 more days to trade. I'm going to literally trade 1 or 2 micros. I'm going to have I'm going to be very tight in terms of how much money I'm willing to lose in the account on the day, but I will try to push it up a little bit. I'll wait for some good spots, try to push it up another $100 or so the next 2 days each day, and then I'll be able to request my first ever payout. So I'm excited about that. So hey, that's all in all. I mean, in terms of what the market was giving us, I mean, Here's your opportunity. I mean, obviously we have the opening range breakout here. We hit the bottom orb and bounced hard. Almost went back up to the top orb, but we rejected on. This is, I think, when I messed that other account up. We rejected on the upper VWAP band, came back down, basically bounced off the lower VWAP band. And then while I was out handling, I was at the DMV expediter's office because they're going to go to the DMV for me and register my daughter's car, so I don't have to sit there for hours. We hit the top orb. We hit the pivot point. Yeah, we hit the pivot point here and rejected off the pivot point. But where's the high? This is the high. This is where the pivot point was on the Qs. We went down from 17,931 all the way down to 17,791, literally 140 points, and then bounced from there from 17,791 to, we had the fair value gap fill. We went basically back for 40, almost, we literally went all the way back up to when we went back up to the top orb, literally at the end of the day. Filled all the way back up, fair value gap fill. Look, you can't see it on the Qs because I have this set to regular trading hours, but it literally came all the way back up, which is right here. Came all the way back up, and then it came back a little. And yeah, that's how the day went. So there were opportunities. There were definitely opportunities. We came back into the orb. We bounced off the lower orb. The bottom orb became support. There were a bunch of opportunities here. We hit the bottom. We actually blew through the bottom orb on the NQ, but came back all the way back into it. Blew through the top orb. I mean, this is on the 15. If I go to the 5, you'll see how the orb became, switched from resistance to support right about here. And then we went up for a nice little run up. But yeah, we kept, when we did bounce all the way from down there, we hit a pivot point on the NQ as well. We wicked below it, but literally came back, bounced out of it. And then, the lower VWAP band and the bottom orb became resistance for a little bit until it became support. And then we popped going into the close. So yeah, I mean, there were opportunities today for sure. And then of course there were plenty of opportunities with the 34 EMA and SMA on the 1 minute, but, really all depends on your trade style. So that's my apex story, and I'm sticking to it. Nuked another funded account, but the most important one is in great shape, in line for a payout. Got another one, basically replaced this one with this one. Lost time because I really was looking forward to getting this one over and then requesting 4,000 during this payout period. That would have been fucking amazing, but it didn't work out that way. So it will work out. I will be requesting payouts in the future. We're requesting payouts from multiple accounts. Mark my words. I hope you stick around. I hope you're around long enough to still follow me when that happens. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support the channel, in addition to subscribing, which is awesome, and I appreciate it, you could get your next eval or test account with Apex Trader Funding, or get your first time eval with Apex Trader Funding with my coupon code below. It's in the description below. And you can click on my link there, and that's how you can support the channel. Right now, they're offering 80% off any size eval and 1 day to pass. That's going to end at the end of the month, but I'm sure we'll have something similar, if not better, because they're always running crazy good promotions. Also, I do trade with Take Profit Trader, and my coupon code for Take Profit Trader is ZERODAYJay. You want to get your test account and give them a try. Use my code. You'll get 40% off any size eval, and if you pass, or when you pass, and you get for the funded account fee, you won't have to pay it. You won't have to pay the upgrade fee. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.